Say good morning. Yeah. What are we eating today? What's this? What is that?
Blue.
What?
Blue.
What? You're chewing. Let's finish chewing and then we can talk. What is this?
Ball.
Oh, what's inside?
Ah.
Cereal. Can you say cereal?
Yep.
No? This is the cereal that we're sharing. And what's this? What's this one?
Toast.
Toast. That's right. And this one? What's this one?
Milk.
Milk. And who's on there?
Mickey.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
That's right. And what was in here?
Isabella.
That's what it says. That's right. Isabella. Is that your name?
Isabella Pino.
That's right. Very good. Very good. And what's inside the cup?
Juice.
Juice. That's right. And what else? Oh, what's this? What was this that we didn't eat? It's peaches.
Where's Mama?
We can eat them tomorrow? Okay. Yeah, or later for a snack. Later. Can you show us your yaya? Do you want to take off your band-aid?
No, it's on.
You want to keep it on? Okay. What else do we know how to say? I think that's new. We said, well, you kind of said cereal, bowl, toast, milk, Mickey Mouse, peaches, juice, Isabella Pino. You said it all. Yeah. Yeah, Isabella Pino Conliffe. That's right. Okay, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, very good. Okay. More cereal.